What happened to your tablet, you said, sir?
Well, I was taking my tablet to church, and I leaned it in the car, and then I got into the car, and I was leaning, and I said, "Oh, that feels something." So I leaned on it again, and pop,
Touch doesn't work.
and she doesn't work, you know.
Don't worry, I got you. Your tablet is ready, sir.
Okay, that's fantastic. Oh my goodness, I can hardly wait to get to my Nook because I have missed it so very much. You know what I'm saying?
You got it now.
And yes, you see, and you have here. It said, "Let's get started. Let's see if it loads." I gotta charge it up a lot more, but it looked like it's going through the process. I have to do this part, you know.